When is there going to be clarity, judgment on this XRP case? We are waiting forever. It is already the 6th of August, and we are still awaiting the judge's judgment. A lot of experts were predicting the second with all these closed meetings that were pushed back. What is going on? When is this case going to finish? Well, it's going to be very, very soon, and it's going to happen when you least expect it, and probably when you give up, lose hope. It's like, oh, it's going to be on forever. It's going to happen very, very soon. The volume for XRP on the institutional level on these exchanges is continuing to spike and grow to elevated historical rates. Let me show you. The share of XRP volume on US exchanges. What we could see here very, very clearly is that since 2023, ever since the judge's judgment, we are seeing the volume hit all-time highs, basically spike from the previous highs of 2020. This is very interesting. It shows you that there's a lot happening behind the scenes with institutions and whales and the people that are actually going to be buying and pumping the XRP coin behind our back. So yes, the price doesn't look very bullish right now at the very moment. It's not super exciting, but this behind the scenes is showing you what's really happening. The amount of wallets continuing to hold XRP is spiking. The amount of holders is growing. Everything is very, very bullish and pointing towards a very big event to take place. We are just awaiting the judge's judgment regarding this case, or if Ripple, they're going to end up settling with the SEC. One of these or both of these things at the same time, or just one of them alone, is going to bring clarity to investors and people. The market, they need clarity. Uncertainty brews fear and causes people to sell, causes there not to be a lot of buyers. But the clarity is coming if you hold XRP. So as far as the charts are concerned, everything is bouncing very strongly. Very little pullbacks, very little shallow pullbacks. So we just keep ripping up higher. As far as the market is concerned, Bitcoin, I believe, is holding up very, very strongly. We are continuing to push higher today. If we take a look at the stock market, if we take a look at Ethereum, we're also looking bullish, forming higher highs and higher lows. A lot of altcoins are just looking incredibly bullish, like Solana, XRP. We are at about 52 cents, holding very, very strongly. I mean, we bounced within one day up massively from just the very bottom here, about 20% for XRP. A lot of coins are up from the bottoms about 20%. Bitcoin's up 20%, Ethereum up 20% in literally just one single day. So the market is looking very strong, is looking very bullish. I do think that we might actually, within the very amount of short period of time, within the next couple of days or something this week, I think that we're probably going to end up getting a pullback here on all cryptos. So once you pump up very big or you have a very strong bounce, there usually is going to be probably some type of retracement or pullback before we continue going up. So I think there's going to be another buying opportunity for altcoins and also for leverage trades. So if you guys are looking to go long, I'm personally not looking to long Bitcoin at these levels or any of these altcoins. They've just bounced up very strong. They can keep, if we are very bullish, I've seen it have a V-shaped reversal and they just rip up really, really high. I don't think that that's going to happen. I think realistically, we're starting to see the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 pull back today after their highs. I think we might get a small pullback like this, and then it's going to keep pumping up. But we're going to see there is a lot of FUD out there with some global tension. So that could cause some selling pressure into the market. I don't think anything massive or absolutely crazy. And I do think that Bitcoin and cryptos have bottomed. I mean, this wick right here, this is the biggest wick we have seen in a very long time. And this wick is really looking good here. It's really looking like there is a strong support, a strong bounce here. And I think that this should actually be the bottom for Bitcoin, for all cryptocurrencies. And we should send to all-time highs for cryptos and Bitcoin from here. That's my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. There is a possibility with more war FUD out there, some more types of FUD, that we could see another pullback, see another dip before making all-time highs. That is a possibility. Don't fool yourself that this is 100% certainly the bottom. But I think that the chances are, after one of the biggest liquidation events that we have seen for many, many years, that this is showing signs of a possible bottom. Make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you don't miss these calls when the market crashes and hits the bottom. I tell you exactly what I'm buying. You also can follow my leverage signals and my meme coin alerts that are up massively. We have some that are up massively the past couple of weeks. One did a 30x, another one did about a 12x, another one just did a 2x. You guys need to be in the Patreon for these calls, following my signals, and much more. You can also join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description. I highly suggest that you guys are using my Algosniper trading indicator. It gave you a clear sell alert at the very top of Bitcoin before this massive crash. We are also getting a buy alert. You guys need to be following these signals on Algosniper, which will tell you exactly when to buy and sell any coin before it crashes or pumps. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.